The question says, find the domain of the function f of t equals to 20t over negative 8t minus 12. Now, when we're looking for the domain, we're looking for what are the numbers that will make this undefined. So this is a rational function. And what we don't want it to be 0 in the denominator. So we need to find what is the value of t that will turn that denominator to 0. So what we do is we take the denominator, which is negative 8t minus 12. We set it equal to 0, and we solve for the variable. So we're going to add 12 to both sides. 12 divided by negative 8 on both sides. This is 12, negative 12 over 8. We're going to go ahead and divide top and bottom by 4. So now I have t equals negative 3 over 2. That doesn't reduce no more. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how this looks in the number line. Imagine that negative 3 over 2 is somewhere over here. Exactly at negative 3 over 2, there's a hole. It's undefined at negative 3 over 2. However, everywhere else on the number line, it's good. Everything else works except the number negative 3 over 2. So your interval notation will go from negative infinity to negative 3 over 2. Parentheses on both sides. Infinities always get parentheses, and the open dot always gets a parenthesis. I'm going to use the symbol for union to connect both intervals. And then I go from, oh, that's a parenthesis, not a bracket. Then I go from negative 3 over 2 to positive infinity. My infinities are not looking right there. So this tells me that everything is good except the negative 3 over 2. And that's it. And we do this process, meaning we set it equal to 0 because we're dealing with a rational function, which means 0 in the denominator makes it undefined.